Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta chicharon. Start with your favorite pasta, about 250 grams. Boil it until it's perfectly al dente, then drain it very well. The key here is to remove as much moisture as possible. Spread the pasta out on a tray and let it air dry for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for achieving that crispy texture we're looking for. Next, heat about 2 cups of cooking oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Fry your dried pasta in small batches. Don't overcrowd the pan, as this can lower the oil temperature and prevent even cooking. Fry until each piece is a beautiful golden brown, then remove and let it drain on paper towels. This ensures they are perfectly crispy. Now for the fun part, seasoning. While your pasta chicharon is still warm, toss it with your favorite flavor. You could go for classic cheese, spicy chili, or even a savory barbecue blend. Make sure every piece gets a good, even coating for that burst of flavor in every single bite. Experiment with different seasonings to find your perfect match. Your delicious pasta chicharon is ready to enjoy. For the best crunch and flavor, serve it right away while it's still warm. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They should stay fresh and crispy for up to 3 days. It's a fantastic, unique snack perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.